for this craft, some of the things you're going to need is a styrofoam ball, a skewer, ribbon, long needles. These are medicine cups, and these are sequined stars. It would be even better if you could find snowflakes, but I couldn't. Actually, I did order some snowflakes, but they came in super small. You need a candle with a match, some glitter, and some pins with a large head to them. I get the pearl shaped. So the first thing we're going to do is take the styrofoam ball, poke through it with the skewer so that we have a cord that it will hang from. And I will show you how to do that in just a second. Okay, so we're going to stick the skewer through the styrofoam so we have a place for the yarn, or excuse me, the ribbon to go through. And we're going to take our ribbon, fold it in half, and then use the skewer as a guide to get it through Okay, so we've got the ribbon through, and this is what we're going to hang it from. So you want it long enough, and then you want to take these ends and tie it in a knot so it stays in place. And then you can cut the ends off. And if you want, you can use a little glue. I don't think we're going to need it for this. Alright, so you're going to heat your long needle up in the flame, and then you're going to use it to poke a hole through the medicine cup. And if you want, you can probably do a couple or even 3 at a time. And so you want to get all your cups with holes poked through. Okay, so now we have our medicine cups that have the hole burnt in the bottom. As you can see, it's got a little black spot to it. And what we're going to do is we're going to lightly tap it into the white glue. And you just want to make sure you have a nice ring around the outside. And then you're going to tap that into the glitter. And you're going to make sure you have glitter all the way around the outside, like so. And then you're going to set that aside to dry. Okay, cool. Okay, so the next step, you're going to need the pins, the stars, and the cups that we've prepared with the sparkles. And how you do this is you take the pin and put it through the star. And you take that and put it through the hole in the cup. And then you take that whole thing and put it into the styrofoam. And then you just keep repeating until you have the whole thing covered.